guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Janae Antoinette, as you already know, and if you don't know, now you know. Yes, beauties, we are back again with another sip and shop. Today our sip and shop is going to be with Jluxlabel. If you have already been on my channel before, you already know I love Jluxlabel. But before we get into the video, let me tell you what wine I'm drinking, because I didn't tell y'all last time. This is damn near gone, but this is the Stella Rose and Stella Berry. Delicious. As you can tell, I already drank half of it, and I poured a little in my 2021 glass. And also you can see that I have changed my room up a little bit. I will be giving you a mini room tour in another video, since I only changed like the sheets and the pillows and added this beautiful RoseForever rose arrangement back here. These roses are beautiful. Every girl or every woman have always wanted those roses in a box that you see all over Instagram, and I was fortunate enough to receive this from RoseForever, and I thank them so much. I am in love with these. Damn near obsessed. They did give me a discount code to give to you guys. Let me grab my phone. So basically, it says here that RoseForever is a New York-based luxury flower brand established in 2019, so they are fairly new. They specialize in luxury flowers, hand-picked exquisite roses that last over a year. Y'all, my room is about to be looking beautiful for a little over a year. I can't wait. They use natural oils to preserve the roses. And they are handcrafted by professional rose estheticians. I didn't even know there was a such thing as a rose esthetician. Wow. Their roses come in round and square shaped velvet boxes in 3 different sizes. They come in different colors. I chose white because that goes with a lot of things. But they had red, blue, yellow, pink, gold, silver, black, gray. Like, it was so many different colors to choose from, and it was very hard because they were all so beautiful. But I kept it simple and got the white one. But yeah, and they gave me a code to share with you guys. So if you want to tell your boyfriend to pick you up some, or you want to pick you up some to decorate your home with, to give to a special friend, to have at a special event, because that's just like a good touch right there. Like, it draws attention, and I love that. You can use my code Janae15. So Valentine's Day is coming up, fellas, if you're watching this video. So go ahead and order your lady some, because I'm sure every woman wants box roses. Like, everybody wants those. They look so luxury, give you that bougie vibe. It gives you that touch that you need in your house. So yeah, use my code Janae15, and you know what? We're going to go ahead and jump into the video. Baby, look at this. We already starting off with a banger. So we first have this little teal bodycon dress. This dress fits perfect. Like, it's not very forgiving. It sucks everything in, and I like that. I like that a lot. And when I say it shows everything, right now I'm wearing like this bralette because I didn't feel like taking like my bra off and changing. So it's like this bralette thing, and I think you can actually see like the little line right here. I don't know, but yes, it hugs and grabs everything, and I love it. And let's talk about this color. This was part of their holiday collection, so around like Christmas and New Year's. Yes, this color would have been perfect, but I think that this color is perfect for any time of the year, especially during the fall and winter months. So we're not done with fall and winter, so this dress would still be perfect for your date nights. I love this dress. Let me show you the back. Yes, this look is definitely giving me bougie. I'm definitely gonna drink wine when I have this on. This is super cute. Oh honey, it's the dress for me. It is the dress for me. Look at this dress. Let's sit this down right here. Y'all, take a look at this dress. This is a dress, honey. This is what you call a dress. Let me show it to you in the back. I hope my brow is not showing. But yes. Y'all, and then this dress, I love what it can do. It has the little drawstrings right here, so you can make it a mini dress. You can make it a maxi dress. You can make this dress any length you want. So this dress is very versatile. Is my light going in and out? Because I need y'all to see this dress. Come on, light. Follow me. Follow me. Yeah. Did I hit a note? No, they want to know. Oh, okay. But anyways, this dress, I like it a lot because of the versatility. You can adjust it to how you want. I have this part off the shoulders, but I can put this on the shoulders as well. But I did a little knot right here because I wanted it to stay like off the shoulders and show like that. But I love this dress a lot. And then the color. This is just screaming, I'm going out on Valentine's. This is screaming, I have a date for Valentine's, or I'm going to find one. Or it could have been the perfect Christmas dress because it was a part of the holiday collection, like I said. But yes, and the fit, it fits just like the other dress because it is the same spandex material. And this material, I think, will fit anybody. It has stretch if you wanted to stretch, and it also sucks in as well. Jlux, you did your thing in this dress. I remember they did have a blue dress like this and a yellow dress like this, but I missed that. But I did catch the red one. But if they come out with another color again, it's mine. It's mine because I like this a lot. And over here, I will show me just having it scrunched up a little bit more for you guys. You know, this dress, we picked up another dress. For me not to like dresses like that, I picked up quite a few dresses, but this is the last dress I picked up, and this is giving the rich boss wife vibes. Like, it looked like I am a rich boss wife. Like, yes, that's what this is giving. This is how the wife of the CEO walks into the Christmas party, you know, Mrs. Claus. That's what this is giving. I love this. I love the fit of it. It is this cute sweater dress. Yes. This makes me feel sexy, classy, and bougie all at the same time. It's not showing a lot. You can get away with wearing this to church if you want to. You know, you're just giving them a little collarbone, you know. That shouldn't harm anyone. It is very body forming though. So, but you know, I like that. I like that a lot. It's pretty hot right now because I have all my lights in, but I think this is the perfect winter sweater dress. You know, it's different from a lot of sweater dresses because of the fit, how it falls off the shoulder right here. I can even make it one shoulder if I want. Give me 1 second. But yes, so what I did was I just tucked the sleeve in. I didn't really do it too neat, and then I just kind of pulled this on the shoulder a little bit to give it like this one shoulder look. And I like this a lot. Like, this dress is giving me mature, bougie, classy, sexy still. I'm rich. You already know I like to look rich. I'm manifesting. You already know that. But yes, Jlux did their thing with this one. Yes, I like this. Mrs. Claus. Santa baby. Something, something under the tree. So our next look, I'm sure you have seen this and other colors on some of my other Jluxlabel hauls because I am in love with this set. So I get it in every color it comes in. So now they bring this little glitter set. And I love it. I love it like I love all the other ones. You already know I wear this in so many different ways because the top is very versatile on how you wear them. I'll post some of the looks that I have did with the other colors over here. So yes, this Toby set, I think it is called. I love it. I love the length of the pants. And I just love how you can tie the top in different ways. So I'm glad they did this sparkly set. So this kind of gives me more of a glam look with it. Either way, I think these sets are very glam. So yeah, I like this one a lot too. They did do a black sparkly one as well. I didn't pick that one up, but yes, this is so cute. And you can also wear the pants with something else, probably like a cute little sweater, since it is a little chilly to do this. They made this part of the holiday collection for like New Year's and stuff, so yes, this would have been perfect for New Year's because of the sparkle, but I think this would just be perfect going forward in the upcoming months as well. Perfect for date night, perfect for taking on vacation and wearing out to dinner. This is a cute little dinner on the beach look. So yeah, I like it. I like it a lot. This one is a little risque, so I have to be careful how I move right now, because of this extra sexy split we got on the side. I'm not gonna lie, I love it. I love this skirt. This skirt is amazing. This skirt is amazing. It's this velvet material. It's long. It's sexy. It's classy. Even though it has this risky split, it's still giving like a classy vibe to me. I could be wrong. You like classy wear. When you walk, it's gonna show it all. Okay, you're right, but still, it's giving sexy, and I like that a lot. Let me put this down. I probably would get the split taken in just a tad bit so I can feel comfortable walking. So maybe like right here would be where I will put it. But other than that, I wouldn't change a thing about this skirt. The color is beautiful. I waited for this to come back in stock, and when they did, I got all the colors. I got the burgundy one that I'll put right here. Perfect. Another very cute date night skirt, or just when you're going out, or just put it on in your house because we ain't really going nowhere, just to feel sexy for your man, your boo, and make him a candlelit dinner and just throw this skirt on. Oh, I'm sure he would love it. It gives a little tease. And of course I got the black one. The black one is classic, so I had to get the black one as well. These outfits, I hope by Valentine's Day we are done with quarantine and more things are opening, because I am giving y'all date night looks. Yes, order now and have your date night outfit in December for February. Yes, that's how I shop. But yes, I like this a lot, just because we got 3 different colors. I think we gotta sip 3 times. Okay, one time, okay? I like this a lot. Okay, so our last outfit is not really a part of their holiday collection. They released this probably a little bit before they released the holiday collection, but it's this 2-piece set. I love the split on the side. I am obsessed with that split. It just gives me that little sexiness that I need, to keep it a little classy too. But yes, this is just like those matching sets I be having, but this time this one had a long sleeve top, so I was like, oh, that's cute. Like, this is going to be perfect like right before we enter summer. So like maybe those chilly spring days or nights where it's not too cold and it's not too hot. So, you know, I think this would be really cute. I probably wouldn't wear these shoes with it, but I'll probably wear some clear shoes and probably carry that little clear bag. Or I can wear these with some sandals. That'll be cute as well. But I think this is so cute. I love this magenta color. Just does it for me every time. They just do it for me. Like, they can't do no wrong in my eyes. Like, I love everything that they put out. Like, I love it. I did get this in another color, in like this very bright coral color. That's going to be so cute in the spring. Look at that color on my skin. Like, oh, love it. But y'all, this is the last piece that we had. I guess I'll catch you guys next week. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to hit that like button. If you like this video, or if you're going to pick up something, just hit that thumbs up. You already know that really helps my channel a lot. And yeah, don't forget to go to RoseForever and use that discount code Janae15 if you want to order some flowers. These are gorgeous. I love them. Bye. See you next week.